What's up, muscle car people? This is Dre Muscle Cars, and I'm Matt. We got pretty much everybody but Jared here. Quinn says that the car is going to be running and we're going to drive it out and we're going to do some burnouts in the snow.
Yep.
But let's see if we can get it. We got to put the radiator in there. The old radiator apparently had a hole in it because somebody put a hole in it.
Well, me, don't look at me.
I know. So hopefully we're going to finish up today. We got the front mount. We got to put the bumper back on. We have to put the window, or we have to put the headlights back in, the hood back on. We got to finish up some of the vacuum lines and put the radiator in. The battery is all charged now. I'm not gonna lie, if the car actually starts and runs, I'll be impressed. I'm not super optimistic, but we'll find out. And then these guys will troubleshoot it if it doesn't.
Yep.
And we got Chaz over here cooking us breakfast.
That's all I'm good for is the hype man.
Yeah, as the hype man, he is also the cook on the channel.
It's chef.
The chef. We ended up having to go buy a radiator cap because we didn't have one. Or we actually lost both of them.
What?
Jared lost both of them.
We hit 75. Alright, we're in Project Subaru right now. It's freezing because Matt says the heat compromises power and overall reliability, so we have no heat right now.
Along with no first gear. And barely any reverse.
We're missing some gears right now. We're stopping at a beer distributor apparently.
Turning around. I don't know how long we can make it in this thing. Where's Skinny? We can just slide right through there. Oh, we don't have reverse.
No, wait, I'll push. Put it.
No.
Put it just
No.
put it in neutral.
Here, hold this.
Put it in neutral. Oh, come on.
Just let me turn the car off. You can drive around. You can drive around.
Sorry, we don't have reverse.
They obviously just drove around.
Here, you got that spot. You can make it through.
Oh, barely.
Nothing. It sounds louder than that.
It's definitely louder than the
You could just go rallying right now.
That's septic. So, where's the septic still?
Oh, we're gonna die!
That person did not.
Give it gas.
I'm giving it gas.
Give it more gas.
Amazingly, the car did manage to run and drive. It had no hood, a massive exhaust leak, we couldn't get first gear or reverse, but it still managed to hit 5 pounds of boost, and it didn't actually leave us stranded on the road. Next time, we're going to fix all these minor issues, and we'll have it running 100%.
Oh my God, we're at 5 PSI!
You know what, Jared? Drive this Subaru.
Slowest thing ever. What you talking about?
What? No way, it's fast. You shifted into second gear going 5 miles per hour.
Look at this guy in front of us.
So thanks for watching the Turbo Subaru build. If you like this series and this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Thanks for watching.
I think it's the no hood.
Driving the Subaru.
I've driven 95 Honda Civics that are better than this car.
What?